Right, think about this example. This example, तुम्हारे में ट्रायल बैलेंस की इक्वल නැති වෙන හේතුව තමයි opening balance sheet as given. Opening balance sheet as given debtors and creditors. Debtors and creditors opening balance sheet as given. Therefore, if it is given opening assets and liability, you have to calculate opening capital account balance also. You have to calculate opening capital account balance also. Think about opening debtor balance equal 120,000. Debtor is assets. And opening creditors balance equal 320,000. If it is given opening assets and liability, you have to calculate opening capital balance also. Therefore, this is the way you have to calculate opening capital balance. Opening capital balance also should be recorded financial position. If it is given opening assets and liability, you have to prepare opening capital account balance also. Therefore, this is the way you have to prepare opening capital balance. Assets minus liability. Therefore, trial balance should be included opening capital balance also. We have discussed general journal. Opening balances should be recorded in the general journal. Therefore, this is the general journal. General journal. This is general journal. If it is given opening assets and liability, you have to calculate opening capital balance also. Therefore, think about opening debtor balance. This is debit side and credit side. Debit side and credit side. Opening balance assets and liability is given. Therefore, you have to calculate opening capital balance also. Opening capital balance. Right, record asset one side, liability other side. Asset one side, liability other side. Only opening balances. Think opening debtors accounts. Think debtors opening balance equal 120,000. Assets therefore should be recorded. Assets should be recorded debit side. Assets should be recorded debit side 120 as a debtor. As a debtor. As well as creditors opening balance is given. Creditors opening balance is given 320,000. Opening assets and liability is given. Opening debtor balance equal 120,000. Think about these two values. If it is given opening assets and liability, by using those information, you have to calculate opening capital balance also. Asset one side, liability other side. Difference value equity. Difference value equity. Therefore, debtor control account asset debit side and creditors control account credit side. Difference value you have to consider as a equity. Here more 30. It has given values in 1000. Given values in 1000. Here more 30. Opening assets and liability. If it has given opening balances, you have to calculate opening equity also, capital. Therefore, difference value as a capital. Think assets should be equal, liability plus equity. Therefore, difference value should be considered as a capital. Therefore, credit side now increase. Difference value should be considered as a capital. Take that value debit side. Take that value debit side. Therefore, difference value should be considered as a capital. Difference value should be considered as a capital. Therefore, here as a capital balance equal to 200,000. Therefore, this value also should be recorded trial balance. Trial balance difference. Normally, capital account balance we can see credit side. Then, debtors like creditors like debit balance. but practically there are more assets and liability available. If it has given opening balances, assets and liability, by using those information can be calculate capital balance. Capital balance also should be recorded trial balance. But here normally capital account we can see credit balance. May gana debit path. But practically we can see credit balance. May gana with debit path. Therefore, this value also should be recorded trial balance. Then trial balance equal. Trial balance equal. If it has given opening assets and liability, by using those information, you have to calculate opening capital balance also. Therefore, capital account opening balance, it should be recorded trial balance also as a capital. Debit side 200,000. Practically credit path renne. Now mega na pitave debit path. Therefore, now think about both side equal 4,250,000. 4,250,000. If it has given opening balances, assets and liability, by using those information, you have to calculate capital balance also. Normally capital balance we can say credit side, but in this example, asset lower than the liability. Therefore, differential we have to consider as a capital. May gana vidira pidava debit path. Have a practical debit path nevenne. May gana ehema une. Debtors lage balance එක assets වල balance එකට වඩා liability වල balance එක වැඩි. That is the reason. If those are recorded correctly, trial balance should be equal. Trial balance should be equal.